What is up, everybody? How's it going? I'm going to leave this question right here to start. Do you have a Harley? If not, would you consider buying one? Because that's what we're talking about today. As we get into it, though, make sure to hit that like button as you're scrolling by it, subscribe, and answer the question down below what I just asked. Do you like Harley? Would you consider buying one? Because we're talking about the Harley Pan America, the Pan America, which is Harley's attempt at taking the BMW GS crown. This isn't gonna be a super technical review. If you want to get really into the everything it's got, all the height adjustment, engine, all that stuff, I'm going to leave the link in the description below to the link that I'm reading off of, which is motorcyclenews.com. So if you're really interested in this bike, you can go to there, click the link, and read to your heart's content. The base points, it's got a 1252cc, 150 bhp, and 94 lb foot-pounds of torque engine. Which the peak torque is at 6,700 RPMs and the peak HP is at 8,750. So it's kind of, whatever. This is just my an opinion piece on this bike, and on Harley in general, I guess, at the moment, because as somebody who, from the outside, I'm personally not the biggest Harley fan. The Sportsters I'm okay with. I'm a huge Buell fan, which kind of is a Harley, but kind of not, however you want to put it. This is, in my opinion, Harley's attempt at trying to sell bikes. You see, they're coming out, or they came out with the fully electric bike, 2 years ago now, and now they're trying to get into the adventure frame, whatever. I personally don't see people who want to go off-roading or adventures or grand tour, people who buy GSs looking at a Harley, especially, Harleys have horrible reliability issues, which, granted, probably so do BMs, but I just don't see people going, I want to go adventure bike riding. What am I going to buy? A Harley? Sure. I just don't see it. Granted, from what I can find on this, they're 14,000 pounds. I think that's pounds, which is less than a new GS costs. But it is one of those things that, the GS has just been proven for so long to be an amazing adventure bike, so capable at everything it does. And then here's Harley. Big V twin. It's got 2 different models, obviously. So you can get the cheaper one or the more expensive one, and then there's probably all the things you can get. What is I'm looking at right here? You can get one with adaptive height control. Is that? I don't know how you want to word it. You can choose if it's up or down, how high you want it, and I just don't see it. And I'm gonna leave a picture in right here. Motorcycle News did a poll, and it says, quote, "It's time for another weekly poll. This week we would like to know, is the Pan America the bike that will finally tempt you onto a Harley Davidson?" And the results are astoundingly no, with 91.1% saying no and 8.9% saying yes. So if this is Harley's attempt to getting into the adventure game and drawing more customers and drawing more of a wide berth than just the Harley guy, I don't see this working. That's 100. I mean, it's only 179 votes, but it's a pretty good demographic. Pretty good spread. 100. It's not 50-50. It's not maybe there's some play this way. That's 91% of people saying no. This does not tempt them, and I personally agree. When I think of Harley, I do not think of anything other than the stereotypical big Harley, the road glide or street glide, whatever they call it. I don't even know. Just, big V twin with saddlebags, and that's it. That's what I think of when I think of Harley. I do not think, adventure bikes, electric bikes. I think this is just their attempt at trying to draw a brighter ring. Brighter? I think that's the right word. A wider, brighter, whatever. A wider range of customers. And I don't see it working. Obviously, they're going to sell some. Maybe they're going to be awesome. Maybe they're going to be absolute trash. I don't know. But I do not see this being the bike and the idea and the customer base that is going to expand Harley's pockets. I don't know. If you're really interested in everything that's in this bike, all the technical stuff, whatever, go to the link in the description and read to your heart's content. I'm not going to go through it all. Apparently it's, technologically advanced for what it is. It's got Brembos, it looks like, which is cool, and it is just, I mean, granted, also I don't like adventure bikes, it's not my thing, but I don't see this being it. So again, this is just an opinion piece. So comment down below what you think. Would this tempt you? Or, are you part of the 8% that would actually say, or 9% almost, that would say, yes, this is a bike that would tempt me towards Harley Davidson? If so, why? Or are you part of the 91% of people, the small majority, hint hint, of people that say no? And again, comment down below, tell me why. So just comment down below anything. But yeah, I personally have no interest in this bike. I would never buy one, just purely on looks too. I think it looks like a fish in the front, just a really wide light bar, blah. I don't know, that's maybe just me, but again, just an opinion piece on this. I have no real bearing on it because I'm not going to buy one, so what does it matter to me? But comment down below, tell me what you think about it. If you like Harleys in general, yes, no, whatever. Anything I've talked about, no, you've listened, I've talked. But yeah, the link for the article is going to be in the description below. The first link you're going to see. Check all the socials. You'll see after that for my stuff. If you like my voice, my sultry voice, probably not. But yeah, just make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share if you want, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.